Hey everybody, it's Aaron with the Weekends with the Camper, and we're going to start off. I'm going to do a setup change on my water setup with my camper. Um, as it is right now, I have 4 connections for water. 2 of them are for flush, one for the city water pressure, and one for the water storage tank, your freshwater storage tank. And the way I have it set up is I have quick connects on all 4, and I'll show you that here in a sec. If I just need to change from city water, I just do a quick connect, and now I can go to my freshwater and it's filling up my freshwater tank. Now as you can see, it does a quick little splatter and yada yada. It makes a little bit of a mess. And sorry about the wind, I can't do much. It's South Dakota and it gets windy up here. Now when I go to my tank flushes, it's a whole different mess. And here's what happens when I do that. So you can hear that it's running. So now when I take it off, now I get a gush of water that comes back out. And what that problem is it leaves water drip everywhere. And sooner or later it's going to cause me a problem. Probably sooner than later, because I do try to do this every week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the quick connects out, and I got new hose and a few other parts, and what I'm going to do is like I do with my water at the main spigot, and I'll show you that. So at my main spigot, I can shut water off, turn water on, shut water off, turn water on, wherever I want. So if I have it set up where that is hard, or not hard plumbed, but it's plumbed in there, I can just turn on what I need when I need it and just have one connection and hopefully get rid of the water mess that comes with this setup. And I'll show you that. I'm kind of working by myself, so I'll show you what it looks like as I'm setting it up. So as you can see, I have another 4-place, and I might take and mount this along the side, or maybe even up top someday in the future, but just proof of concept, I wanted to just do it here. But I got my 4-place. I got the Flexzilla 10-foot hose, and it's 5/8, and it is drinking water safe because this will be going into my tank and to my city water connection. And what I'll do is I'll just trim the hose down to where I need it to go from one of them points down to that point. And I'll probably leave a little extra so I can maneuver it around and place it. So I will come back when I have the finished product done for you. Okay, so it does kind of look like a little bit of a tangled mess, but I have all 4 connections tied in, all 4 connections tied into there, and now I'll turn the water on. So we got water. I'll shut that one off, turn that one on. So now, as you can see, there isn't any pressure here, and all it takes is now you can hear that I got my flush going. Shut it off. Got my other flush going, and I can hear it. Shut it off. There's my freshwater connection and my city water. And I did all that without spilling a drop. And in the future I will probably buy another one of these Flexzilla hoses, and I will probably mount, oh, I turned something on. Yep, I turned on the flush, so I will get that rerouted and moved, but I just had to prove the concept and make sure it worked. And thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow. Hopefully you enjoy the tip. Thank you. Bye.